Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we want to talk about the products you should be thinking of selling on Etsy right now currently. So moving into February, that's going towards the end of January, mid-January and the end of January, you want to actually start looking at products that you want to put into your store towards Valentine and some evergreen products that people will buy throughout the year going forward. So I just wanted to run through this with you quickly. So this is Etsy. For those of you who don't have an account with Etsy, I'll put the link in the description to create a free Etsy account. If you live in the country where Etsy is supported, I have a video where I showed you and walk you through the countries that are supported in Etsy. I'm going to link that up in the card. But for this video, we're going to talk about products that you should list on your Etsy store. So the first one is print-on-demand jewelry. So this is a jewelry supplier that I use and I know a lot of people use. I have another video on this channel walking you through how to start a print-on-demand jewelry business. I'll link that again in the card or in the description below. Go watch that and see how to get started. But I'm just going to show you the products that you can get selling right now. These are jewelries that you can customize and have, sent to your Etsy store and sell it. So these are message card jewelries and you can just have your messages behind them. Let me just quickly go on to Etsy. So this is actually one of my products. This is mine, and as you can see, I just created this. I created this design. I created this in Canva, guys, but if you don't know how to create this, I have another video where I walked you through how to create it. I'm going to leave some free templates in the description, so just go click on the link in my description and grab it so that you can import it into your Canva account and just change up the words and the fonts and the design and just make it your own. I'm going to leave that in the description, so just go check it out. You'd get 10 free print-on-demand message card, jewelry message card. I'm going to leave the link to get that in the description. So what you do, you come to Shine On and you just create a product. I'm not going to go through that deeply because I already created a video walking you through how to do that. Then you will just download your design from Canva. So I have a design here. Say for example, this design, let me blow this up so you can see. So yeah, so this design, I have this in Canva. So you can create something like this and you download it in PNG, then come here and upload it here. Then you'll be able to import it to your Etsy store. Again, guys, I'm not going to walk through that in this video. I have a video where I showed you exactly how to do this. I'm going to leave that in the description. And remember, if you want to grab this message card template, I'm going to leave that also in the description so you can go get it, import it to your free Canva account and edit it to make it your own. So that is that. You can make different variations of this. It doesn't have to be this jewelry. This is a jewelry set. That's the necklace and the earrings. There are other designs that you can make. I'm just gonna go back to catalog. Let's see. So you can you can create custom message cards for all of these designs. Just make it your own. Design it from your heart. Try and imagine what your customer would want to tell their loved ones during this Valentine season, and just write something that makes sense, that something that would sell. And yeah, that's it. And amazingly, Shine On has some creatives for you that you can actually get inspiration from. You can get design ideas from and all of that. So if I go to pre-made designs and I'll go to message card, I'm just going to show you some quick examples, guys. So you can come in here, and Shine On actually allows you to download this for yourself actually. So you can just click on any of this one and download it and upload it back, instead of creating your own in Canva. But I like to create my own in Canva because everyone is going to be using the same design, and you want to stand out, you want your design to stand out. So I'd advise that you don't download directly from here and upload. You can actually just come on here and get inspiration. So to my wife, a cute, loving, generous, sexy, caring, just make this your own. You can take the words and tweak it and make it your own. To instead of saying to my wife, it could be to my soulmate, to my girlfriend, to my fiance, and all of that great stuff. So that's how to do it. I'm going deep into this, guys. I said I wouldn't because I have a video where I already walked you through how to do this, guys. So let's move on quickly. So the tool I use, it's the main tool I use actually now to find trending products on Etsy, is called Insight Factory. I will leave a link to Insight Factory in the description also. I actually have checked out different tools. I've checked out Sales Samurai. I've checked out what is it called? Bear with me. Everbee. Yes, I've checked out Everbee. I actually do have a subscription with Everbee. You can see this. It says Pro here, and Everbee is okay, but I still prefer Insight Factory to either Everbee or Sales Samurai because it's just straightforward and it's easy to navigate. It gives you the metrics that you need easy and quickly. So that's why I like this one. So for instance, you can come to trending, that's trending products on Etsy. So whatever niche you are in, so say we're talking about jewelry now. So I'll just click on jewelry and it will bring up every, jewelry types that are trending currently on Etsy. So say we're talking about message card jewelry. Now I'm going to just look through here and see if there's anything that is really trending right now. So as you can see, the competition here is really high, but it's been getting sales today. So this has gotten 9 sales today, 5 sales, 9 sales. That's how this works. Let me show you another one. Go back to jewelry. I want to show you how to really see what exactly is trending part-time, so you can make an informed decision on what to sell. So okay, so this is another message card jewelry, and guys, you can make this in Shine On yourself like I said, but this now, guys, is what I want you to look at. So this has 3.1k competition, but has sold 47 times today. So that's what they say. So you can see these are products. It has 794 competition and I sold 53 times today. So you may want to look at a product like this. Let's just click on this one. So it's going to bring up all the jewelry that are being sold on that keyword. You can also sort by country, then the UK, Canada, Australia, or Germany. I'm just going to leave this as it is. And some of the sellers actually ship to different parts of the world, so you may still get them pop up. Even I live in the UK, so I'm just going to leave that. I'm going to search with that. It's just searching. So I prefer this tool because it's just straightforward. You have all your tags in one place. You have titles and price. It's just easy. So here I'm going to sort by sales in last 7 days, and I'm also going to sort here by last sales. I want to know when last this item got a sale. So it got a sale today, and in the last 7 days it sold 109 times. This is a good product to look into, guys. It's just a simple neck piece with a name on it. A lot of people are selling it on Etsy right now, so it may be something you want to look at. And thankfully and luckily for us, it's something that you can actually get here in Shine On. You can actually have Shine On make this for you and send it to your customers. So I'm going to show you where it is here. It's actually new, and Shinon just added this to the product, so you can actually create it with the message card or create it alone without the message card. So the one we just saw, this one is not coming with a message card. It's just a jewelry, and you can see how much it's going for. So this now is a good way to create your listing. Now you can create your listing, you have the tags to use, and if I go here to say show title and price, it's going to show me how much this is being sold for. So you can see the title, well optimized. So just to show you how your competition is getting their sales, this is the title they're using, this is the price they're selling, and these are the tags. So for me, I think it's very straightforward and easy to actually move around this. If you want to sell digital products, which is actually another stuff you should be selling right now on Etsy. If you want to sell digital products, you just come to digital products, just click on that and see all the digital products that are trending right now. If you wanted to look at digital planner, you can see how much these are sold today. So when you see this fire symbol here, it means it's really selling well. This is hot right now on Etsy. So digital products are digital products. People can buy it from different parts of the world. They don't have to be local to your country. So this is a good product to sell on Etsy right now. So you want to look at digital planners, digital products, different things. You want to look at journals, journals, manifestation journals, planners, you know, different self-care journals. These are things that are trending right now. So you want to look at this. This is a good way to actually start making some money on Etsy. So if you're thinking, okay, how do I create digital planners? I know I used to have that headache. Oh my God, I don't like to type. So how do I create this fast and easy so you don't spend all your time and all day creating products, and then you still have to upload it and, you know, do all the SEO on Etsy and all of that? I'm going to show you something that you can use that will make this process very easy for you. So for example, this is self-care digital planner. I've not even sorted this by anything, guys, and you can see this person has made this much sales this week and today. So if I wanted to sort it by 7 days and I want to sort this by today, so you can see this person has made this person has made 1,389 sales in 7 days and has gotten some sales today. If you want to look at the title and see what the person is using, you can use this is the tags for this listing. I'm going to click on the listing so you can see. So this is the listing. You can see how much the person is selling the planner for and all of that. So if you want to make this process easy and fast for you guys, this is where you should be. So this is Secret Weapon. This is a PLR for digital products that you can sell on Etsy. I will leave a link below in the description to go join Secret Weapon. So Secret Weapon is actually like a PLR house where you can get this planners and, you know, all of these journals and make your own. They are actually Canva templates that you can download into Canva and make your own. So let me just go to templates now. I'm going to rush through this quickly. I'll make another video walking you through this Secret Weapon and show you how you can actually take advantage of them. But I just wanted to show you the good things that are in here that you can actually make your own. So you have course creator bundle, YouTube bundle, and all of that. Let's look at, these are templates that you can use, that you can sell, ebook templates. Let's look at where is the planners? I want to see the journals. Yes, let's look at journals first. So these are journals that you can sell, guys. Gratitude journals. These are already done for you, already written for you. All you need to do is download it to Canva and just tweak it and make it your own. So even if you're not selling on Etsy and you probably are a coach or you're a consultant or a teacher and you need this for your audience and your clients, this is a good way to get it. This is where to get it. It's already done for you. It's done the major work for you. All you need to do is get this into Canva and create, your magic, and just really make it your own. And they make it easy here. The owners of this platform, one of them is an Etsy seller and she's done so well for herself, and the other person is a coach. They're both amazing ladies, and they walk you through how to actually use this for yourself and your business. So you have different trainings here. So these are the two lovely ladies. So this is this is like a 2-hour training for one day. So it's like a challenge, and you have that like that for 5 days, and walking you through step by step how to maximize this for your business and how to profit off of this on Etsy, and how to really get the sales. So you can actually come on into Insight Factory to get guidance, to point you in the direction. And once you see it, you want to sell digital products are actually trending right now, and they make a lot of money because there's no inventory, there's no physical product to deliver. Customers can just download over and over and over and over again, and a lot of people are making money this way. If you also want to sell jewelry for seasons, that's for Valentine, Easter, and throughout the year, people do celebrate anniversaries and birthdays throughout the year, then this is a good one for you. You want to use Insight Factory to actually get what's trending right now and all of that great stuff. So that is about that, guys. If you're looking for other suppliers where you can get jewelry from, you can also come to CJ Dropshipping. They have a print on demand service that you can use, and you can see trending products here. You can see these are jewelries that you can customize, have names on, and have sent to your customers. So these are print on demand products. This jewelry is actually trending right now on Etsy. So you may want to look into it and see how you can, make some money. This is trending right now. So guys, I just wanted to walk you through this quickly. I will be creating more videos on everything I talked about in this video. That's how to use Insight Factory to get good product to sell on Etsy, and how to use Shine On to make good products to sell on Etsy, how to use all these tools to sell on Etsy. So you want to be subscribed if you're not subscribed to my channel, and please turn on the bell notification just beside it so you know when I drop another video. Thank you for joining me in this video, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.